Well, this is a stone here from the river Elbe with some muddy something on it. And this muddy something is termed a biofilm. And in a biofilm you find microorganisms in a very high concentrations. And they are basically responsible for the self-purification process of the surface water. This is why they are so important, and this is why they are of such a high interest for our research. As a child, basically, I always wanted to become a biologist. Maybe sometimes I thought about getting a policeman or something like this, but only very briefly. And generally the whole path was getting a biologist. I was very interested in collecting already animals, observing animals also as a child. Well, the big goal is to understand how humans alter ecosystems and how we can, with this understanding, manipulate ecosystems in a good sense, parallel to the human development and parallel to things like climate change, etc. And there is still much research to do on this topic. We are currently working on aquatic ecosystems and how to maintain ecosystem health under the human pressure we have in our landscape. And this is, let's say, the umbrella where we're working on. And under this umbrella we have a lot of different projects. It's about protection of certain species, important flagship species. It is about climate change and how climate change alters water quality, and it is, for instance, about restoration. How do we make restoration in a good way that is efficient for the ecosystem? I think that we have in Germany that the society is quite interested in science, although the politicians are interested in science, to make decisions on that basis. And I think that this is a perfect opportunity for us also, and it is also a challenge for us to communicate better science and to take this interest in the society, to serve this interest, to communicate science also to a public audience and not only to our specific scientific audience.